Good morning, my name is Lonnie Bowers. I'm with Guaranty RV Supercenters, here bringing you this 2020 Catalina Trail Blazer 29 THS. Nice unit, front electric jack, twin tanks, 15 gallons, electric awning, 15 foot. You have fold up steps, solid steps, very easy to lift. 2 fingers, they fold up inside of the coach for travel, outside when you're parked. Nice grab rail, get you in. Very nice floor plan. You got this wall sits back further. It gives you essentially a walk around bed, but it gives you this setup gives you more room in the living area. So you've got a queen size bed in the back. You've got 2 wardrobes on either side. Nice deep storage over above, and of course storage under the bed. You've got a TV bracket here. This will fit up to a 42-inch TV. You got your Furion CD, AM, FM radio, also doubles as a DVD player for your TV. A nice big U-booth. Windows on all 3 sides. Big window in the back, brings in a lot of light. You've got storage underneath on both sides. It goes all the way to the outer wall. You also have access under the cushions. Nice storage underneath. 7 cubic foot refrigerator. Larger than previous year models. A little bit of overhead storage here. This one gives you a nice, with the mid kitchen, it gives you a lot of counter space. Solid surface countertops, Furion stove and microwave. The range hood is vented to the outside. Furion is an electronic ignition, no more pilot lights. Underneath here you got good deep storage. Shelf there, full open on there. Nice sink. Nice and deep, all one piece. And again, storage over. You also have an outlet here for 110. You also have 2 outlets here with 2 USB ports for charging your phone. Kind of nice. Snap it down out of the way. This is a separate garage model, unlike the 28 TH, which is an open floor plan. Your bathroom's in the middle here. Nice shower with a tub. Decent amount of storage underneath the sink and overhead. Solid door instead of the sliders. In the back here you have a 10-foot garage. You got fold down couches, both make into a bed, or you can use them as a couch. This will accommodate a side-by-side. Lots of tie downs. You have 11 tie downs, or 13 tie downs on the floor. You can fit a couple 3 quads in here, dirt bikes, or a combination thereof. Cable access in 110 here. You got a steel plate behind the wall to mount a TV bracket. Separate door with a garage unit. Outside vent here, which keeps the fumes going outside instead of into the garage. Glass door, which is nice. In the rear, if you'll notice, you have a fold down screen. Keep bugs out. You also have, you can drop this deck down horizontally as long as you leave the cables on, and you've got a fold out railing system that goes all the way around. That's nice for going outside in the patio. Again, this is a 2020 29 THS. For the size and the price point, oh, one last thing. Fully enclosed underbelly. For the price point, it's a lot of coach for the money. Coachmen makes a great product. They also include Asdale in the walls. What that'll do is keep mold and mildew from forming, and it'll keep it from delaminating. Big feature. Thanks again for coming by. Ask for me, Lonnie Bowers, Guaranty RV. I'm on the Fifth Wheel lot. Hope to see you soon.